Welcome back to the channel. I'm Rochelle. This is Brampton Gardener, and it is the end of May, and I think it's almost time to plant. So May started off beautiful, nice and warm, and then the last week or two it's been cold at night. It has been rainy. It has been miserable. It feels like February or March, and we are very, very angry and bitter about it. So tomorrow I think I actually am going to be planting, even though we're saying now we might get a couple cold nights next week. I'm done. Like, I cannot wait any longer. These peppers have got to get in the ground. So tomorrow is going to be the big push for planting, and then they're saying rain Wednesday, Thursday, so that would be perfect to keep everything watered in that I get planted tomorrow. So it's a bit of a mess. At least he's very cautious, and I don't have any little seedlings in there yet, so I don't know what he's doing. You okay there, buddy? Hi. How are you? Good morning. Yeah, you're excited. Another garden day. The air conditioner thing goes here. This pot goes there. That pot goes there. The other pots are going to go there. So I'm going to readjust all of this. And this is my water feature that I'm working on. It's going to be a mini landscape. Here's a little sneak peek. I think I finally got the right rocks to make it bubble how I want. So that'll be a whole video all on its own. Yeah, so that's just kind of what I'm going to get done. And then we'll be ready for planting. So this is planting prep day, right, Dexter? Planting prep day. Woo! All right, so I got this pot ready, that pot ready, that pot, and then I was able to put out some of my seedlings. That pot's ready. That pot I just got to top off. This pot I'm not filling it fully until I get it placed because it's going to be way too heavy. As you can see, I was too lazy to bring everything out and have to put it back in again tonight. So this is all pretty much getting planted up tomorrow. Yay! And then I came in and I added the manure to all of these beds here and also over on my neighbor's side. So the 4 pepper plants beds and the 3 tomato beds. And then up here, someone's lazy boy. And then up here I got these kind of staggered. I still have to put holes in this these 2 white ones, so didn't put any soil in that yet, but I think they're looking pretty good. Oh, and then I got my little trio of hanging baskets, but I need to find my moisture control potting soil. That's what I use in the hanging basket. So once I find where we put that, I can fill these up with some soil, and then these can all get planted tomorrow. Oh my gosh, it's finally go time. So exciting. Thank you so much for watching. It's like taken so long to get here, but yay, we finally made it. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next video. And next time I see you, there's gonna actually be a ton of plants. Yes. Hi. Who's a good boy? Who's a good boy? Who's ready for planting days?